In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ChatGPT to Google Docs. This tool is fantastic for making your writing process smoother and faster. With ChatGPT integrated into your Google Docs, you can brainstorm ideas, summarize text, and generate content right where you're working, which is especially valuable if you're juggling school, work, or any type of content creation. If you find this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. It really helps support my channel and allows me to create more content like this. Now let's dive right in. To begin, pull up Google Docs on your browser and either create a new blank document or open an existing one that you're working on. For this demonstration, I'm going to use a fresh, untitled document. This way, it's easier for you to follow what I'm doing step by step. Once you've got your document open, turn your attention to the top menu bar. You'll want to look for the word Extensions. This menu holds all the extra tools that Google Docs offers, including add-ons that can enhance your experience. When you've clicked on the Extensions tab, go ahead and select Add-ons from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the section where you're able to browse through various tools and integrations that you can add to Google Docs. The next step is crucial because you need to get the right add-on. From here, you'll want to click on Get Add-ons. This action will direct you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, a treasure trove filled with different add-ons available for Google Docs. Now in the search bar at the top of the marketplace, type in ChatGPT. You'll be specifically looking for the add-on named ChatGPT for Google Workspace. Entering the right keywords is key here, as it helps narrow down your search quickly. Once the results populate, click on the add-on titled ChatGPT for Google Workspace. This is the one you need to install, so make sure it's the right choice. Upon reaching the add-on page, click the Install button. Google will initiate the installation process, and you may encounter a screen requesting you to review certain permissions. This is perfectly normal, as the add-on needs specific access in order to function properly within Google Docs. So, when you see this, go ahead and click Continue. You might get another prompt asking you to confirm the Google account you wish to use. If that's the case, just click Continue again and follow any additional authorization steps. Depending on your browser settings or Google account configurations, there may be one last confirmation step you'll need to approve before the add-on is fully operational. Just take your time as you click through these prompts, making sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once the installation is complete, you'll find that the ChatGPT add-on is now connected to your Google Docs. So head back to your document and once again click on the Extensions menu. You should now see the ChatGPT add-on listed there, ready and waiting for you to utilize it whenever you need some AI assistance. This is where the fun begins. You can leverage the power of ChatGPT to draft paragraphs, rewrite sentences, create outlines, summarize content, or assist you with any writing task directly in Google Docs. If you're using an AI add-on for the first time, I recommend taking a few moments to explore the features it offers. A great way to start is by trying out simple prompts, like asking ChatGPT to improve a sentence, summarize a section of text, or even generate a quick outline for your upcoming project. By starting with these simpler tasks, you'll ease into using the tool effectively before you tackle more complex writing assignments. And just like that, you've successfully learned how to add ChatGPT to Google Docs in just a few straightforward steps. This integration can tremendously save you time and streamline your writing process within Google Docs. If you found this tutorial beneficial, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more engaging tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.